Hello everyone and welcome to the channel AITTL. Think, Tinker and Learn. If you're looking to unlock the practical power of AI, you are in the right place. This video is a part of Level 1 series on the Gemini API where we are diving deep into solving real world problems with AI, focusing on practical application you can build yourself. We are keeping things accessible, primarily using the magic of prompt engineering and some straightforward Python functions. No advanced machine learning degrees are required here, just a desire to get hands on with a cutting edge AI. After the level 1 series, I will be working on advanced level 2 series focusing on more complex AI and LLM projects. That will be where we will dive into more intricate prompt engineering techniques, integrating with other APIs, and build more robust applications. Coming up with a name. It's the first step to starting anything, a business, a project, a YouTube channel, and it is one of the hardest part. You want something catchy, something meaningful, something that isn't already taken. It can feel impossible. What if you had a creative partner who could brainstorm with you? An AI that could take your idea and generate a list of unique, professional sounding brand names in seconds. Today, we are building that exact tool. We'll use the Google Gemini API to create a AI brand name generator. This is a super fun look at how we can use AI for creative brainstorming. Let's get started. Welcome to our digital marketing agency, Google Colab. Before we can start brainstorming, we need to set up our office. We are installing Google Generative AI and Grid.io, our standard toolkit. Let's go and let's get started on this. Okay. Then we'll securely connect to the AI using our Gemini API key. This Gemini API we have stored in the Google Colab Secrets tab. This is right here, and make sure that you provide notebook access to your notebook. And you can create your own API using this API link that I will be pasting here. Okay, this the secret will give our AI consultant its license to operate within this entire notebook. For the model, we are using Gemini 1.5 Flash here. As you can observe here, this is a Gemini 1.0 Flash. This is incredibly creative and first of all, fast. More importantly, it is fast, which is exactly what we want when we are brainstorming variety of different kind of ideas. Okay, this is where we turn our generative AI into a branding expert. The prompt is our creative brief, and its quality will determine the quality of the names we get back. This is the prompt engineering for a creative task. If we just said, give me names, they'll be very random. We need to guide our AI. First, the persona. You are an expert branding and marketing consultant. Your task is to brainstorm creative, memorable, and modern brand names for a new product. Next, we give it the context. We clearly provide the product description and the keywords here that these keywords are the one that the user input. This is the raw material for AI's creativity. And here are the instructions right from here. Okay. This is the most important part. We tell it to generate a specific number of names that they should be catchy and easy to remember. And crucially, that for each name, it should provide a brief explanation. This forces the AI not just to invent words, but to think about the meaning behind them. Finally, we demand a strict markdown format. This ensures that our list is always clean, organized, and easy to read. By giving the AI this detailed brief, we are acting like a client talking to the real marketing agency, and that's how we get professional result. Let's run this. Okay, so our AI consultant is ready now. Let's build the conference room with the gradient here. We're using a two-column layout. On the left are inputs. We give a gr text box for the product description, which is up here. We're describing a product here. And then we add helpful placeholders to guide the user as well. On the right, our output. We are using GR Markdown. This is essential because our prompt asks for bolding and bullet points. The Markdown component will render that formatting perfectly, making our list of names look like a professional presentation. The dot click function clicks the brainstorm session here. It says when the button is clicked, run our generate brand names function. Take the description and keywords as inputs and display the formatted list in the output area. Simple. We launch it with share equals true so that we get our public link. Let's run this. Okay, and our brand name generator is ready. Our AI brand name generator is open for business now. Let's give it a product idea. Okay. How about a subscription box for high quality artisanal coffee beans from around the world? If I can write well, okay, high quality. Let's see. And okay, for this, let's say global craft fresh morning coffee is ritual. Okay, let's brainstorm. Look at that. Glow roast evokes a sense of global reach and roasting process. Morning rituals. Bean voyage. I like this one. This is quite catchy. Artisan ascent. Interesting. Uh, implies a climb towards superior coffee quality and artisanal excellence. Quite good. Brew traveler. Sun and bean, a simple evocative names associating sunshine with the origin and freshness of the coffee. Amber and oak creates a warm, sophisticated image, referencing the roasting process and hinting at the rich woody notes in some places. Wow. As you can see here, the explanation are just as valuable as the names themselves because they tell you the story or they try to create a story behind these names itself. And that is actually very important for the selling, especially if you look at these pieces, the amber and oak, the origin roast, and this brew traveler. How about we try something on the gaming area, let's say, and make it a fusion game. Let's say a fusion game which includes sci-fi, um, space, and dinosaurs. Okay, and what should be my keywords? It should be global. Well, global or universal. And what else? Hmm, should have a space in it. Should have, well, actually, it should have space travel. How about we, along with the space travel, we call it, I'm forgetting what is that thing called, dark matter in space, and then dinosaur and asteroids. Let's see what it comes up with. Look at that. It took a while. I'm not sure why this was the case, but hmm, this is was the first time I'm seeing this. Okay. But anyways, let's look at the brand names here. Chronosaurian. That's a good play. Evokes a sense of time travel, dinosaur, and futuristic scientific feel. Astrozoic. Void stride. As you can see here, it has actually looked into some of the ideas that I have actually shared here. It's using the dark matter. It is a Jurassic jump kit. These are pretty catchy names, if you ask me. Stardust Rex. My favorite is Chronosaurian still and Terragenesis. That's a pretty cool. Nice. And that is how you build an AI creative partner that can help you break through that initial roadblock of starting something new. The key was a well defined creative brief in our prompt that guided the AI's brainstorming. The full Collab notebook is linked in the description below. Go try it out. Think of a dream business or a side project, plug it in, and see what names the AI comes up with for you. Let me know the best one in the comments. If this video sparked your creativity, please hit that like button, subscribe for more practical AI project, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.